How's it going? I don't even know if you guys can recognize this car because it's actually one color, and there might be some Bondo massage that happened. But it's here. The only difference is it's one color now, but it doesn't run for some reason because it may have gotten left out in the rain when it got taken to get painted, and it may have messed up some electrical stuff. I'm going to try and start it right now though.
Yeah.
Spark?
Yeah.
Okay. Noah had a very good point. Something's just not working. Like the car's just not running. Annoyed because I'm annoyed. You want to tell me if that flashes?
Yeah.
So annoyed light did not light up. So now we gotta test for power and see if there's even power going on. Just for fun. I really hope the camera picked that up. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Yeah, no. That screw's not even all the way in. We have located the relays, and now I need to test for power at said relays. Power. That one doesn't. Ooh. Well, sorry. This one has 2 powers. This one only has 1. So it ended up being the relay for the fuel injectors. It's not getting a proper power to the relay. So I have to run a new wire that has supplied power from one of these switches, because then it's just race car. You know, you have to switch it on to turn on your car now. Nothing now, it started. I fixed it. I fixed it. This is the hardest part of the whole day. Not a fake bride. That's it, you don't even need to bolt it down, go jerk. Fly out your car, it's fucking sick. It's addicting. It's terrible.
I don't know if it's Sophia.
We're eating sun chips right now. Playing Among Us. Not working on David's car because we're finally taking a lunch break. We need to bleed the brakes and align it. No one needs to go study for an exam. Jeff's drinking his Monster. Yeah, you know, we're getting stuff done today. It's good. It's good. You like for chips. Subscribe for Monsters. What's the other one that people do? Comment. You got comment if you like the Maynard's tropical Swedish berries. I love Swedish berries, but the tropical ones, you know, they just give you the extra more flab. You know, they just they have that terp that you need. So comment for these. Thank you.
One.